The Birth of Venus, a painting so famous it's practically Renaissance pop culture. But let's be honest, this isn't just any birth. This is giving the ultimate post-breakup rebirth. Venus is coming straight out of the ocean looking, honestly, like she's on the verge of an existential crisis, but make it fashion. Let's unpack the drama. Venus is here just casually riding a clamshell, like she just emerged from the depths. Forget a serene birth. This is the vibe of someone going through it. And now she's stepping out serving revenge body, ready to ruin everything but somehow make it demure. Is this a mythological equivalent of crashing out? She's not just a goddess, she's the queen of messy rebrands. Zephyrus and Chloris, Venus's hype squad, blowing her onto the scene like they know this is about to get wild. Zephyrus, fully committed. Look at the intensity. This man is blowing. He's blowing like he's trying to launch Venus into another galaxy. Chloris, she's over it, but at the same time, she's here for the drama. Either way, Venus is getting dragged into her new you era, whether she's ready or not. Let's talk about the hair. This isn't just windblown, it's editorial. Botticelli made sure her hair was doing the most. It's giving, I don't need clothes when my bust down is serving this hard. It's giving, I've been through an emotional roller coaster, but my hair stays on point. My edges stay laid. Honestly, relatable. Enter Blanket Bae, the friend still trying to save face. She's here with a blanket like, Venus, sweetie, maybe we tone it down before you get canceled. She's like the original celebrity publicist, here to keep Venus from trending for all the wrong reasons. But let's be real. That blanket isn't for warmth. It's for the optics. Botticelli's The Birth of Venus isn't just a goddess emerging from the sea. This is a comeback story in all its messy, unhinged glory. Venus is not just reclaiming her space. She's doing it in a way that says, I may have lost my mind for a minute, but look at me now. And her face? Unfazed, unbothered, like she's not standing naked on a clam while being blown to shore. This is a masterclass in composure. You could set her down in Times Square, and she'd keep that same energy. So that's the birth of Venus, a goddess doing some excellent PR. It's raw, it's messy, it's unhinged. But in the end, it's a comeback for the ages. Tune in next time for more art history without the pretense, but with plenty of chaos.